Hi, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Here we are, pork skewers. Look, just very easy recipe. I will leave you the full video for this recipe at the end of the video. So we got our pork marinated with buttermilk, onion. We are gonna blend some kiwi as we are just close to the grill time. Yeah, kiwi will make it very tender, the meat. Yeah, now just like that, just blend it, mix it, leave it 1 or 2 hours just before you are gonna make the skewers together. Yeah, just mix it properly. Use the cubes that from the bottom to the top to the bottom on the sides. And now let's make our skewers, just as easy as it looks. So remember, if you like the channel, the videos, the content we are posting, please hit the subscribe button, your thumb up for the videos. It does help. And of course, if you like it, you can also share our food ideas. Yeah, so here we are so far, just like that. We're gonna this is around 20 centimeters. This is for our grill, and just like that, just gonna make all the skewers, and I see you later when we are done. So now we did them all. Look, we got 8 pieces. This is around 2 kilos, 200 meat. Now we are just ready to grill. Charcoal grill, hot, and speedy one. Look, we just place them here, and now we are gonna have a bottle, plastic bottle this case, with some holes on the lid. We have water and vinegar. With this mix of water and vinegar, what we are looking for is to avoid the flame. We don't want the flame to burn our meat. So remember, I leave you the recipe just at the end of the video. Just hit the subscribe button, like, thumb up as well, and see you in the next video. Cheers!